to give me a chance to explain.
I am not listening to anything you have to say.
Then I won't speak. Just let me show you. Please, Astrid. We're gonna beat this. I promise you, Astrid. You just have to keep fighting and hold on. You need to stay with us. I can't imagine a world without you in it.
Hiccup, are you still there?
Yes. Yes. I'm here, Astrid.
Will you and Toothless stay with me a little while? Just until I fall asleep.
Of course. We're not going anywhere. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
Were you about to...
Oh, so you felt that, huh?
Well, why didn't you?
Always thought that if it ever happened, and yes, I've thought about it a lot. It had to be just perfect. You've always been there for me, and I want to always be there for you.
I love how sensitive you are.
Don't tell that to Stoic.
Oh, I think he knows. Everyone knows. It's what makes you such a great friend. A great leader. And, a great boyfriend.
This was my father's betrothal gift to my mother. Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have been, and I hope you always will be. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You just being here with me is the only gift I need. I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.